Hi guys! I was about to mix up some pigeon feed. I mixed my own pigeon feed and I thought I would just make a video in case anyone else is interested, because I never buy the commercial stuff, though I do have a little bit that someone gave me and I haven't used it. But this is what I do, and I've been doing this for 20 years because I've always had pigeons as pets, just never raised them before. So I get the scratch grains, which has barley and corn and something else. I think there's like 3 different grains in there. And this is at Tractor Supply, available at Tractor Supply. So this is a bit left in the bag. I'm going to dump this in here. Try to do it with one hand. I hope no animals come. So that's the scratch grains. And then I've got the, let's see, what is it? Neutrina Nature Wise Feather Fixer. And let me see if I can set this camera up so that I can film it. I don't know how people film with one hand. And I just keep putting scoops until it looks about right, so I don't really measure anything. No, it's not for you. No. Well, that wasn't quite enough. And then the next thing is the wild bird food. I'm going to put about 3 scoops of that in there. Put another one. No, go away. No. And then finally, there's sunflower seeds. Regina, for goodness sake, who's off? Come on. And I just pour a bunch in there. And you have to be quick before the sheep get it. And this is what it looks like. Well, it's just a nice mix of everything. This is the little spoon I carved during the 300-mile race while I was waiting for the birds to come home. And I attached the little bird that I just carved yesterday. And I'm going to use that for the brewer's yeast that I put on the pigeons' food every few days. And this is the other half of that log that I split to make that spoon. I made a little eating spoon and left some of the bark on it. And then this is another little scoop that I made from some black locust. Got real nice grain in all this wood. Definitely going to make more spoons out of the alder. And I gave them a coating of, just a light coating of hemp seed oil, which brings out the grain even more. I love carving spoons.